Thank you for joining us today as we take a quick look at the new Windows 8 operating system. This is the new operating system by Microsoft that's already available in stores today. So if you were to walk into a Best Buy or go to Dell.com and order a new PC, it's going to come by default with Windows 8 installed. There are some notable differences between Windows 7 and Windows 8, so we want to take a sneak peek at what you can expect. Microsoft has made some improvements to this operating system, so you're going to notice that your computer will boot faster, which is good for you, less wait time. It's also going to copy your files faster. The first thing you're going to notice when you look at a Windows 8 desktop is the start screen. So instead of loading to a traditional desktop that you're familiar with in Windows 7, when your computer boots up, it's going to take you automatically to this start screen. This start screen has a very tablet look and feel. It's very modular, scattered with app boxes that Windows calls tiles. Some of them will try to show you useful information right off the bat, like you'll see the weather tile will give you a glimpse at the weather forecast. You could set up a tile to show you how many new messages are waiting for you in your email inbox. And you'll also notice that one of these tiles is called desktop. When you click on that one, you'll be taken to a more traditional looking screen that you're used to from Windows 7. Okay, so once you get to that more traditional desktop looking screen, what will you notice? Well, you're going to notice one big thing right off the bat. You're going to find yourself saying, where's my start menu? The menu that we have on the screen right now is the start menu traditionally found in Windows 7. And yep, it's missing with Windows 8. So Microsoft wants you to start getting more comfortable with the start screen in lieu of the start menu. So instead of having a long list of programs, they want you to have this start screen that takes up all available screen real estate and displays tiles instead of words. But all of your programs are still there. You'll just be accessing them in a little bit different of a way. Alright, also with Windows 8, when Microsoft has introduced their App Store. This is Microsoft's marketplace to sell apps and content, so you can buy more tiles for your start screen. You can purchase apps that will further enhance your start screen, but you will need to get a email address linked up in order to be able to use the Windows App Store. So this is very similar. This App Store can be compared as or viewed as direct competition with Apple or Amazon's app stores. Alright, Windows 8 was developed with touch screens in mind. Microsoft sees this as the way of the future. They want you to start getting used to using a touch screen. So it pairs easily with touchscreen monitors or with traditional keyboards and mice. And you can actually transition back and forth easily between the two. So you can touch one minute and click with a mouse the next. Windows 8 is Microsoft's attempt to have an operating system that can compete in the tablet market. So they have also released their version of a tablet called the Surface Tablet. Now, the Microsoft Surface Tablet runs Windows RT, which is a slightly scaled back version of Windows 8. So a lot of the same concepts as with Windows 8, but a slightly scaled back version. These tablets are Microsoft's way of competing with the iPads. Alright, so what's the bottom line? There's no big compelling reason to rush out to the store to purchase Windows 8 right now. In fact, according to experts, the release of Windows 8 was paired with the holiday season, holiday shopping season in mind, but they didn't see a huge increase in the amount of PC sales this year, so people weren't running to the store immediately to get their hands on it. The truth is, though, that Windows 8 is here to stay. New computers purchased are going to come with this interface by default, and it's only a matter of time before we're all faced with acclimating to it. So, only time is going to tell if the Surface Tablet by Microsoft will compete or even put a dent in the iPad market. iPads still today remain the top-rated choice for tablets on the market. Alright, so what about Damon College? Damon will not be switching to Windows 8 in any of the computer labs this spring semester. However, over the summer we will begin to transition to Windows 8, so you can expect to see more Windows 8 on campus as of fall 2013. And when your office's computer is up for refresh the next time, if you're a faculty staff member who's full-time, it will most likely show up with Windows 8. Alright, thank you for joining us.